Cancer is a complex disease that can be caused by a combination of factors, including genetic mutations, environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and certain infections. In general, cancer is caused by the abnormal growth of cells in the body that can form tumors and invade nearby tissues and organs. Genetic mutations, or changes in the DNA of cells, can be inherited or acquired over time and can lead to uncontrolled cell growth and the development of cancer. Environmental factors, such as exposure to certain chemicals, radiation, and pollutants, can also damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer. Lifestyle choices, such as smoking, drinking alcohol, a poor diet, and lack of physical activity, can also increase the risk of cancer. Infections caused by certain viruses and bacteria, such as human papillomavirus, HPV, and hepatitis B and C, can also lead to the development of certain types of cancer. It's important to note that while certain factors can increase the risk of cancer, not everyone who is exposed to them will develop cancer. Cancer is a complex disease, and scientists are still learning more about the underlying causes and risk factors that contribute to its development. Cancer is a complex group of diseases that can have many different causes. Generally, cancer occurs when the body's cells begin to grow and divide uncontrollably, forming a mass of abnormal cells known as a tumor. While normal cells in the body grow and divide in a controlled way and die at a certain point, cancer cells can continue to grow and divide indefinitely. Some of the known causes of cancer include genetic factors, environmental factors, lifestyle choices, and certain infections. For example, mutations or changes in genes can lead to the development of cancer, either through inherited genetic defects or acquired mutations due to exposure to environmental factors like tobacco smoke, radiation, or chemicals. Certain viruses, such as human papillomavirus, HPV, and hepatitis B and C, can also cause cancer by infecting and damaging cells in the body. Lifestyle factors such as a poor diet, lack of physical activity, and exposure to environmental toxins can also increase the risk of developing cancer. It's important to note that cancer is a complex disease and there may be many factors involved in its development. Research into the causes of cancer is ongoing, and there is still much to learn about this disease. While there is no surefire way to completely prevent cancer, there are steps you can take to reduce your risk of developing this disease. Here are some ways to lower your risk of cancer. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese increases the risk of several types of cancer. To maintain a healthy weight, eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and limit your intake of processed and high-fat foods. 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help reduce the risk of several types of cancer. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, most days of the week. 3. Don't smoke. Smoking is a major cause of several types of cancer, including lung, throat, and bladder cancer. If you smoke, quitting is the best way to reduce your risk of cancer. 4. Protect yourself from the sun. Exposure to ultraviolet (UV) radiation from the sun and tanning beds increases the risk of skin cancer. To protect yourself, use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, wear protective clothing and a wide-brimmed hat, and avoid tanning beds. 5. Get vaccinated. Certain viruses, such as HPV and hepatitis B, can increase the risk of cancer. Vaccines are available to help protect against these viruses. 6. Limit alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol can increase the risk of several types of cancer, including breast, liver, and colorectal cancer. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. 7. Get regular screenings. Regular cancer screenings can help detect cancer early, when it is most treatable. Talk to your doctor about which screening tests are right for you based on your age, sex, and medical history. It's important to note that while these steps can help reduce the risk of cancer, they do not guarantee that you will not develop cancer. If you have concerns about your cancer risk, talk to your doctor.